everyone, Machinima here, and welcome to part 2 of our tutorial on how to animate Sims 4. Yay! Sims 4 animation tutorial! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to add IK bones to your model and how to add eye controlling bones to your model as well. So what you want to do is you want to, before I begin, go to File, User Preferences, and on Input here, make sure you have Select with left click. By default, Blender is right click to select, but we're going to use left click to select, so that's how you do that. And also, the last video we added hair physics, which you see here, we have some hair physics going on here. So if you're lost about that, look at the previous video on how to add the hair physics, which links will be in the description below. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into edit mode. I'm going to push 3 on the numpad keyboard. And I am going to B the box select, G on the y-axis. I'm going to bring my little knee bones forward a little bit. And then I'm going to one of the ankle bones. We have, I'm not sure which one that is, but we're going to put, I think left foot. Yeah, left foot, you can see down here. We're going to push E and then Y. Yay. Other side, push the other foot bone. E, Y. E to extrude, Y on the y-axis. And then we have some IK bones for our Sims. We're going to get rid of the parent bones for both of them. Now we go back into pose mode and we search foot. Actually, before we do that, we're going to rename our bones. Instead of the 0.001, we're going to delete 0.001 and put IK. Same for this one, delete 0.001 and type in IK. Okay. Now we're going to be able to do our IK, so we're going to go into the bone constraint tag. Make sure you select one of the foot bones, which I have the left foot selected, so I'm going to go to inverse kinematics. The box should be rig, and the bone, I'm going to type IK, should be left foot IK. Chain length is 3, we're going to add the rotation. And we're going to fix that here in a second. We're just going to go to the other foot real quick and do the same thing. Inverse kinematics, rig. Okay, for the right IK foot, chain length 3, rotation. And it looks a little funky, doesn't it? A little funky. Yeah, I know, guys. We're going to fix this. So I'm going to hit R to rotate. And I'm going to double R to rotate globally. Both feet are going to be like this. Now to keep that, because if we push Alt-R, it's going to pop back into what it was. Control-Z to undo. We're going to push Control and A and apply pose as rest pose. Control-A for both of those. So now when we hit Alt-R, or I'm sorry, yeah, Alt-R, it won't go back to what it was before. Okay, so now we have that out of the way. We're going to add, and of course you can test it out. And you can see here it works. In the rotation, you can rotate it too. So yay, we have that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add eye controller bones. And to do that, I'm going to go into edit mode again. And I'm going to look for the left eye and right eye. So I'm going to shift select over here. I'm going to select BLI and then shift select the right eye. I'm going to shift D to duplicate. GY to move on the Y axis. Shift S, cursor to selected. Shift A to make a new bone, and we're going to scale this down a little bit more maybe. There we go. Shift S, selection to cursor, and there we go. Now I'm going to rename the bones from 0.001 to target for both left eye and right eye. So they're going to be RI target and BLI target. And our new bone will be called I_target. And the parent for this is going to be the head bone. And then we're going to select the RI target. And the parent for this is going to be I target. Same with LI target. The parent for this is going to be I target. Okay, so now we're going to go back into pose mode. We're not done yet. We're going to add IK to our left and right eye. So we're going to type in rig, and the target bone is target, so it would be, this one's left eye, so it'd be left eye target. Right eye. LI target, chain length is 1. Same for right eye, add an inverse kinematics, rig. I target R target, yep, that one's it, chain length 1. And now when I move this, the eyes move. The roller, what the heck are you guys doing? Okay. So we have that out of the way now. Yeah, that's all we have to do for the eye target and for inverse kinematics on our feet.